Okay, what's up guys? Today I want to talk to you a little bit about hearing protection. Now this is actually very important as a DJ because your ears are one of your most valuable assets. You need to be able to hear the music to be able to play with it. This makes hearing protection especially important because as a DJ you'll be going to a lot of parties, not just while you're playing but also as a visitor, because you have to discover other music, other artists. Of course, you have to know what's happening in the scene, and at probably most of these places the music will be too loud and you really need protection if you want to not destroy your ears. And I'll tell you honestly, like a lot of my friends that are DJing as well, like quite a few of them, they actually have tinnitus, which means they're hearing like a permanent beep within their ears. And that's a very, very bad thing if you're a DJ. So that's what we're here to talk about. What's up guys? My name is Mats. I've been a DJ for about the past 11 years now. I've been doing it on and off for the past 11 years, I think, something like that. Especially like during my student years, I was partying a lot, DJing a lot, and the past few years during my working career, it's gone down a little bit, but I've decided to throw everything around, and now I'm gonna be seeing if I can actually become a big DJ. And this video series is about following me along this journey. So hearing protection. I know it's not a topic that a lot of DJs want to hear about. I mean, fair enough. Like when I was a little bit younger, I also didn't like to hear about this as well. And there were quite a few times where I was forgetting to bring my hearing protection, and it's not good. It's not good. Like I said, I already have a couple friends that are having this tinnitus thing, and like it just makes things a lot more difficult. You know, when they're actually playing, when they're producing the music, you know, when they're at home, it's just the beep is always there, and the amount of exposure you're gonna have towards very loud music is just gonna be insane. You know, like you're gonna be standing quite often, like literally next to the boxes, although they're mostly pointed away from you. But like if you're playing a lot of parties, if you're going to a lot of parties, then you're exposing your ears to a lot of loud music, and we need to get this covered. So what I actually suggest you're gonna do is buy these Alpine earring protections. I don't sponsor them. They don't sponsor me. No, nothing like that sort. But it's just about that. I think it's really good earring protection. I've been using them myself for the last year, and they're actually quite good in just having this. They don't really like tone down the hearing itself, you know. Like a lot of these earplugs, when you put them in, it's not just that like the loudness is gone, but you can't hear a lot of the music as well as you would without them. But I've been surprised by how well these hearing protections actually do it with these earplugs. So I really suggest to get that. And if not, then just always make sure to bring earplugs. It's just a very simple concept. I forgot them a lot, and this is it's not good. It's not good, especially like some of these parties, they're just so freaking loud. There was this one time, it's a funny story. There was this one time where I was almost out of money, and I've lost one of my earplugs at a big festival, and I was a bit stubborn. I'm still stubborn, but I was a bit stubborn back then as well. And yeah, I just decided like, okay, fuck that, I'm just not gonna do it. And then the rest of the weekend, while yeah, my friends were just chilling at the boxes, you know, I could stand like this close to them, but I couldn't do that for too long because yeah, you don't want to be with your fucking finger in your ear all the time. That's just annoying. So I decided at some point like, fuck it, then I'm just not gonna wear earplugs at all. And I fucked up my ears pretty bad that weekend. Yeah, I think I was hearing this this beep in my ears for like 2-3 days after that, and I was really lucky that I didn't really damage them all that much. But yeah, you should take note. Don't be like me. I was very bad at this. I'm trying to be better right now. I'm still lucky enough that I don't have it as bad as some of my friends who really damaged their ears. But yeah, get this covered because it can really affect your DJ career if you really develop tinnitus. So you don't want that. Just get the earplugs. Make sure to bring an extra pair to a festival or a party. That way you yeah, you can still go on if you lose one, or just buy a second pair. You know, most festivals or most parties, they sell them nowadays. That's it. I hope you listen to me, and if not, well, I tried to warn you, but yeah, it is what it is. Cheers.